Hello, Wonder. My name is Carmela, Baby Wanderer. Today we are at a mall, and we are here with my family and my mommy and her workmates are here. She let them join our journey to the mall. Okay guys, now we're going to Starbucks. My favorite part of the day of Cebu. And I'm so excited because it's the second time I I drink Starbucks, and I'm so excited.
So nga di ka wonder, nagpakiana kita. Bawal ko no mag video sulod. Pwede mag picture, sulod pwede mag picture. Bawal mag video. So nga di agawas okay la. Porsche design. Wow, ka wonder. Grabe. Oh, kumita ka sulod mo. May bot gutay lang nga bag 30k. Wow. Universe. Ini mga sapatos ka wonder, mga familiar kami ng mga brands. Universe, Saint Laurent, Adilatin, Loewe, Loewe. Grabe, pakabati ko pala ng mga iniload nga Dior, mga bumati na kinakanta. Dior and Plogi. Hay na kita. So di ka wonder ang Givenchy. Familiar kami itong brand. Di kita second floor ka wonder. Ayos nga di ka wonder. So di na kita third floor na din or second. Taiwan shabu. Wow. Amin yung shabu nga legal ha. Hindi rin na shabu nga illegal. Kultura. Wow, grabe nga diyo. Cafe Laguna. Yun. Wow, wala dito mga steak. Tom's Coffee. So nira coffee shop nga di ka wonder. Wait, Texas Roadhouse. Adi ka wonder mag-vlog.
Hello, Wonder. My name is Carmela, Baby Wanderer. Today we are at
mga restaurant.
What restaurant is that? The no Kushima. I don't know how to read what's S and H.
That one, what's that?
It's for my shoes.
You read the name of the
store. Sol Public. Today we are at a mall, and we are here with my family and my mommy and her workmates are here. She let them join our journey to the mall, and we have something, and I will let you show. This store this says get outside.
About that one, you read.
See, say Sicko
Starbucks.
with the Starbucks. We are going up.
No, butang lang mo para clear. Yung hula para clear mo. The wonder where are we na?
We
Where
are
are we? We are in the fourth floor.
fourth floor. We are at fourth floor, and we are gonna find
Pharmacy gihapon dili.
there is a Rose Pharmacy,
Rose Pharmacy at Mustar.
and we are at fourth floor.
There's a time zone. It's like a control.
I'm not already a baby. Okay.
What is this? What's happening in this world?
It's good.
What?
There's also a thing as well.
So kawander may danira nga di gongcha. May gongcha nira nga di. Ngan time zone mga aton ha takluban mo bi kuan ini ya Tom's World. Coffee Bay. Nonki Express. Cebu's Original Lechon Belly. Odeniahan. Ano pat may dang adi kawander? Peri Peri. Oh, may potato corner gap nga di. Shawarma. Aton shawarma shack. Anak familiar la mga pakakaon ko pala ini. Shawarma Gourmet Express. Wow, kita ka mga di kawanderit mga ko ano. Anini yan, baga masakay ka na na spaceship.
Okay, guys, now we're going to Starbucks. My favorite part of the day of Cebu. And I'm so excited because it's the second time I drink Starbucks, and I'm so excited. My whole family's gonna go to Starbucks, and we are gonna go there. The one that we just go, and the one we just saw earlier at the third floor, and we're going again to the third floor, and we are gonna go back to the third floor.
So kawander lusad kami. Mabalik kita kawander. So adi kita balik. Oh, still order. Mont Blanc kawander o Mont Blanc. Burberry, Joe Malone, Dia Gold. Mga bags nga di kawandero, Mont Blanc. Ilaw Chow Tai Fook.
Today, guys, I got a funny joke to tell you at Rose Pharmacy. Do good, feel great. And today we're never gonna go to Starbucks. We are now gonna go back where we started. And we are going, we are gonna go.
So, dere. Kita kamot auto ka wander. So nga di ka wander. Amin tira casino nga di. Baga gusto nimo magsunog ng pera, pwede ka nga di sumulod. Casino. Bawal kita nga da sulod ka wander kay kuan ito nga da. Sa kay bawal. Il Primo. So, pudlaan ka wander taton tour nga diha Nustar. Balita ko ha, tatakloban magkaka-Nustar bagyapon. So, may nitiya kuan. Picture nga di picture. Alright. Wow, mga chandelier nga di ka wander. So itluyo hini nga pader. Casino na itutluyo.
Casino na ito toyo.
Casino na tluyo.
Casino ka na.
Hindi mo 32. Luyo ni casino. Wow, kaupit painting nga di ka wander. Mo baganduha nga manok nagbubulang. Joke la. May tira hallway nga di ka wander.